Good morning student, this is Preeti More and I welcome you all today's YouTube video. Now in the last video we have covered our unit 6 Dr. Dolittle, the weight. In this chapter what we have seen, there is the weight doctor Dr. Dolittle, and he was expert and he has learned the language of the animals. Even he was able to speak and understand the animals' problem, and he just decided to treat only the animals. So the horse was there to came to Dr. Dolittle and he had an eye problem. So Dr. Dolittle treated him and he gave him the spectacles. So where the Dr. Dolittle lived, in that country it became very common to wear a spectacle to the farm animals. So the conversation between Dr. Dolittle and between Dr. Dolittle and horse, this all story we have seen in the last video. Now the question answer you will be provided of that lesson. Now we will do the let's build the word from this chapter. So open your page number 45 and there is let's build the words. So what is there first? Verb contraction. Verb contraction is there. First, what instruction is there? Write the expanded form of this contraction. Contraction means the short form. Contraction means the short form, and we just have to expand. We have to write the long form of the given words. मतलब जो भी कॉन्स्ट्रक्शन है वो शॉर्ट फॉर्म में है और हमको उसका लॉन्ग फॉर्म लिखना है. सो व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट वन? Verb contraction. The first one is couldn't. Second is B is I apostrophe S L L. C is aren't. Beside it don't. And here D, I dash M and F is and T. So these all are in the short form. Many of the students have confusion how to read this contraction. How to read this contraction. Once you know what is the meaning of this contraction and what is the long form of this contraction, so you will be able to read it properly. So couldn't means could not. Couldn't means could not. And in short we say this couldn't, and the long form of the couldn't is could not. Now aren't. Aren't means are not. Don't, do not. Now here ill, so I will. I dash am, I am. Isn't, is not. So here this is the long form of the given short verb. Couldn't, could not. Aren't, are not. Don't, do not. Ill, I will. I'm, I am. Isn't, is not. So this is the contraction and we expanded that contraction in its long form. So you just note down this all in your notebook. Put the heading unit 6, let's build the word verb construction and write down this. Now the second question is words from the test. Complete the sentences with the correct word from the lesson. In the lesson we have seen this and we have to do here fill in the blanks. Okay. Now I just rub this. I hope you have written. So words from the test. Heading is words from the test. So the first one is, what is instruction is there? Complete the sentences with the correct word from the lesson. So the first one is A. I am a blank space creature said the plug horse. I am a creature, said the plug horse. What is there? I am a patient creature. So what will come there? P-A-T-I-E-N-T. I am a patient creature. Now this B is, everyone thinks they can treat us animal. Everyone thinks they can treat us animals just because we don't. Just because we don't. Now the blank space is here. Just because we don't complain. We don't complain. Who is saying these sentences, these dialogues? horse is saying to the Dr. Dolittle. Everyone thinks they can treat us animal just because we don't complain. Now see number. Not everyone can blank space animals. So what will come in this blank space? Not everyone can understand. Not everyone can understand. Understand animals. Now D. What I need is blank space. I am going to blind. I am going to blind in one eye. What I need is spectacles. What I needed? Spectacles. Spectacles mean chashma. This all the dialogues had said by horse. I am a patient creature, said the horse. Everyone thinks they can treat us animal just because we don't complain. Not everyone can understand animal. Not everyone can understand animals. What I need is spectacles. I am going to blind one day. I am going to blind in one eye. Sorry. Now you just note down this all 4 sentences in your notebook and underline the blank spaces which we have written. Now I hope student you have written these. Now let's see the synonymous and the antonyms. What is the meaning of the synonymous and what is antonyms? So I just write it on the board. First I have to rub this. synonymous, I write here. See, synonymous means the similar words, and antonymy means opposite words. So let's write some example is given there in your textbook. Synonymous means similar words and antonymous means opposite words. So some synonymous are there: big, large and huge. These all three words have same meaning: big, large and huge. Now the opposite words: antonymous, bad, opposite, good. Tall, opposite, short. Happy, opposite, sad. Or unhappy. So synonymous means the similar word. These all words are having the same meanings, and antonymous means the opposite words, opposite meaning. Bad opposite good, tall opposite short, happy opposite sad. So this also you have to write in your notebook. So the question number 3 is there, the exercise number 3. Strike out one word from the brackets which is not a synonymous for the given words. Now here synonymous means the similar words which is not similar of the given word. In first, resident is given and 3 options are there: local, inhabitants and tourist. So which is not similar to that resident, we just have to strike out that. Suspected, believed, felt and doubted. Celebration, jubilation, rejoicing, sadness. We just have to identify which is not similar to the given words. So I hope this one you have written, so I just rub this. Let's do the exercise 3. The first one, A, resident. So in options, local, inhabitant and tourist. B, suspected, in bracket believed, felt and doubted. C. Celebration. Sadness is there. Jubilation. And rejoicing. D. Important. In bracket, trivial, significant, and primary. E. Radiant, in oblique bright, dull, shining. So this much words are there in the textbook. We just have to find out which is not the similar meaning of that given word. Resident means जो जहाँ रहता है वहाँ, residents. So local is the similar word of this resident. Inhabitants is also the similar word of the resident, but tourist is the opposite words of that. So this is, we have to strike out that. We just have to find out which is the synonymous of this given word. Resident, local and inhabited, this all meanings are same, only the tourist is strike out. Now suspected, believe is the same meaning of the suspected, doubted is also the same meaning of the suspected, only felt is opposite of that. Now the celebration means happiness, celebrating something. Rejoice is also celebrating meaning, and jubilation is also the celebrating it. But the sadness is wrong there. So strike out the sadness. Now D, important, trivial, significant and primary. Significant, it's also as meaning as the important, and primary is also the meaning of the important. So trivial is wrong over there. Now radiant, bright and shining. Radiant meanings bright and shining. Dull is not the same synonymous of the radiance. So resident, local, resident synonymous are locals and inhabitants. Suspect synonymous are believed and doubted. Celebration synonymous are jubilations and rejoicing. Importance synonymous are significant and primary. And the radiant synonymous are bright and shining. So you just note down this exercise in your notebook. Now here we have completed. Let's build the words from unit 6. The first exercise we have completed, second exercise we have done, and exercise 3 also we have covered. Now this much we have done in this video. Now in the next video we'll see, let's learn the grammar. Till then, bye bye, take care and thank you.